Hi, in this video we are going to study about the random experiment concept and outcome. Now let's move to the topic directly. Random experiment, first of all we will understand the definition. The experiment in which all possible results are known in advance but none of them can be predicted with certainty and there is equal possibility for each result is called as a random experiment. Now to make this definition simple, we will take the help of an example. Suppose we are having a tossing a coin is an experiment. So the experiment in which all possible results are known. While tossing a coin, we know either it will be heads or it will be a tail, right? So we are knowing the results in advance, but we cannot say very firmly or perfectly that it will be tails or it will be heads. We cannot predict this or we cannot say this with assurity. So this cannot be predicted with certainty and there is equal possibility for each result. So such experiment is called as a random experiment. Now example is tossing a coin where we have equal possibility of getting heads as well as a tail, but only one result we will get. So that result of random experiment is called as a outcome. Okay. Another example is throwing a die. Whenever we throw a die, the numbers which are marked on it 1 to 6, any one number we are getting, so that any number 1 to 6 is having equal possibility of appearing on upper face. So this is also an example. And the last one is picking a card from a pack of well shuffled playing cards. So for this we have 52 possibilities because we have 4 types of playing cards: spade, club, diamond and heart, and each and every type is having 13 cards. So 13 into 4, it comes out to be 52. So each and every group contains the cards as 1 king, 1 queen, 1 jack, 1 ace and 2 to 10 cards. So like this, each and every group is having 13 cards. So altogether we have 52 playing cards. Hence there are 52 chances of getting any one card out of these all. So we can say that the result of random experiment is called as an outcome, and random experiment means an experiment in which we know the result but we cannot firmly predict that what will be the result. So this is all about random experiment and outcome topic. Thank you.